Oh my god. I have a P2020.
Oh good! Beyond them 20 times!
What? Did you say you pee like a charge rifle?
Huh?
I mean, Ollie did say that she pee like a charge rifle.
That's quite the sentence there.
My, Ollie, how
You're feeding chat too much. Don't feed them. Don't give them a meal like that.
A few moments later.
But just out of curiosity, just asking. It's not like I'm doing this for scientific research or anything. How do you pee, Miss Lee?
Oh shit. Here we go again.
You know, like every other distinguished lady.
So, like a charge rifle. You
Sure.
just boom into the toilet.
Like a P 2020, am I right?
Oh, it's not straight.
Like a boom boom pew pew.
Or is it like a boom, bad, or like boom, boom, boom?
Just you just empty your entire load, if you know what I mean.
Oh my god.
Oh my. This is gonna get clipped.
I got you, homie.
I'm looking forward to it. Thank
Me
you.
too, me too. The
Okay.
memes,
Please
the
edit
memes
this
be rocking. Oh god. Do zombies pee though? Is my question.
Oh yeah! How do you pee anyway? You're dead anyway.
Hey!
It's magic.
It's magic. It's you know, our pee is kind of.
Your pee?
Oh, there's people here.
Oh no. We'll
We'll
pause the piss conversation for now.
Yeah, for sure. Oh, thank God. Mr. Charge Rifle, please stop pissing on us. It's pretty salty.
I peed all my bullets at once and then I had none left.